In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix missing folders in Google Drive due to syncing issues. If a folder you know should be there suddenly disappears, it's often not deleted, it's just not syncing correctly between your computer and the cloud. The good news is a quick refresh of the sync process usually brings everything back. First, make sure you have Google Drive installed and open on your desktop. This is Google's Drive for Desktop app, which keeps files in sync between your computer and your Google Drive account. Launch the app, then confirm you're signed into the correct Google account. It sounds simple, but it's easy to be logged into a different profile. Look at the account icon in the app window to double check. If you use multiple accounts, switch to the one that owns or should display the missing folders. Also, keep the app and your internet connection active while you work through this. Next, pause Google Drive Sync or Backup. Pausing temporarily stops activity and clears any stalled processes. On Windows, click the Drive icon in the system tray. On macOS, click it from the menu bar. Open the settings or three-dot menu and choose Pause Syncing or Pause Backup. Give it a moment. This pause acts like a soft reset without changing any of your files. After that short pause, resume Google Drive Sync or Backup. In the same menu, click Resume Syncing or Resume Backup. The app will recheck your files, compare your local content with what's in the cloud, and then start syncing again. Let it run without interruption. If you have a lot of files, this may take a bit, and you might see status messages like indexing, syncing, or uploading. That's normal. Keep the computer awake and connected so the process can complete. Now, check for your missing folders. Open Google Drive on your desktop and in your web browser to confirm everything is visible. Look in My Drive as well as any shared locations where the folders might live, and try the search bar if you remember the folder name. If the folders are still missing, restart your computer to clear any lingering sync tasks, then repeat the pause and resume steps once more. A reboot often resolves background issues that the app itself can't reset. That's it. By installing and opening the app, pausing, resuming, and then verifying, you refresh the sync cycle and usually bring those missing folders right back. Stay patient, let Drive finish its checks, and you should be good to go.